Hello, today I decided to test a new meal service that delivers you groceries. It's called Hungry Root. So let's see what we got. A knife over here. Came surprisingly on time. It says, your kitchen companion, and it has a cooking playlist and the extras. So, with Hungry Root, you pick out the things that you like, and then I guess they send you what they think you would like that week. So here it says Christopher's recipes for Monday, December 20th. Christopher. I'm not Christopher. It has somebody's name in Fresno. I'll have to figure that out. Unless Christopher might be the packer. But it says shipped to Christopher. So I might have gotten somebody else's delivery. Hang on, my dog needs to be let out. Okay. So we got some brown rice quinoa blend. Organic whole milk yogurt. Some cashew cheddar. Coconut cashew grain-free granola. That sounds kind of good. Garlic parm. Some lemon dill hummus. Some banana bread with on-the-go oats. Red lentil fusilli. Sounds pretty good. Oh, Zesty zucchini baked falafel. Ooh, that sounds delicious. Ancient grain pancake mix. That's mushy. Ooh, butternut squash ravioli. And some 7-grain bread. There's more. Ooh, baby Bella mushrooms. Leave it. Get your little nose out of here. Some mini cucumbers. They're actually really cute. Rainbow veggie mix. Some parsley. Roasting vegetables with herbs. Greenhouse fresh, nice and crunchy leaf. Grown indoor, hydroponically. And some green onion. Some broccoli, which we love broccoli in this house. An avocado. I love avocados. And a lime. So this is what I got in my package this week. And I'm going to go ahead and use Christopher's list of how to make it. It's got 4 recipes on the back. And definitely going to give them a call and let them know I'm not Christopher. Let's see how this goes. And then in the rest of the box, they have this special cooling pack, and at the bottom they have 2 Viro gel packs that are frozen solid. So all the food is cold. So I'm excited to make it. Let you know how that goes as I make the meals. Christopher's butternut squash and sauteed mushrooms was absolutely delicious. And I called customer service and they will be refunding me my order and sending me a new box next week. Stay tuned for that. Thank you.